Hi dosto, once again welcome back to the channel. This video is regarding Odisha government. You can see here, as you see on the screen, Board of Secondary Education Odisha has declared the results of HSC examination. So let us quickly see how to check or download your marks card online very quickly. So friends, you can do this from mobile itself. You don't need to install any application. All you need is this link, orisaresults.nic.in. You can see here, I will give this link in my video description. From your mobile, just copy paste in any browser and click on enter. It will work. If you get an error for the first time, just refresh it. It will work. Okay friends. So as you can see here, Odisha results, and this is what we are talking about. BSc Odisha annual HSC examination 2021. Just click on this link. Let us see what happens. Okay, these are the details you have to enter. Annual HSC examination 2021. You have to enter three things. One is your roll number. Remember friends, 9-digit roll number should be there. Okay, if you are not having roll number, get it from your corresponding institution. And after that, date of birth, you can select it as a drop down menu. Okay, so it is a drop down, you can select it, and after that you have to enter the captcha. Here you can see, here in my case this is the captcha. Just enter it here, and after that click on the submit button. Simple process. After that you get the marks card downloaded like this. You can see here, roll number, candidate's name, all personal details, as well as the marks will be displayed properly, and the total marks also will be given. There will be a print option at the bottom of the page. You can, otherwise you can also take a screenshot, and please get it downloaded. Keep your marks card stored for the future. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and forward with your friends who is looking for this information. Thank you so much. See you with another informative video.